Get ready to transform your space with TWOPAGES. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to install cordless Roman shades for an inside mount. Roman shades offer a chic and practical way to elevate your living space. They combine elegance and warmth to foster a welcoming ambience, while also allowing you to easily control light and privacy. The parts included in the installation package are 1 cordless Roman shade, 2 to 3 mounting bracket for outer mounting, 2 to 3 spacer for inner mounting, 6 golden screw sets, 4 to 6 silver hex bolt and nut sets. Here's what you need for the installation: a metal tape measure, a pencil, a drill, a screwdriver. Now let's get started. Step 1. Mark the holes. Hold up the Roman shade at your desired height to align and determine the position of screws. Mark them with a pencil. Then drill the holes in the window frame. Ensure that the holes are aligned with each other. Step 2. Install the brackets. Install the inner mounting brackets using the golden screw sets, then tighten the screws in place to install the brackets into the pre-drilled holes on the wall. For shades wider than 47 inches, install the center support bracket at the approximate center of the headrail. Step 3. Insert the headrail. Insert the top front of the headrail into the front slot of the brackets. Then, secure the railing by pushing it into position. Now that everything is in place, pull the shade down and back up again to make sure it works. Great! Your new Roman shade is ready to roll. If you're still having trouble with installation, don't worry. There's an installation guide available on the TWOPAGES official website. You can find it at the following link: twopagescurtains.com/pages/how-to-install.